Hey Bell fans, this is Tim Ellis and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Your Bell. Today we're going to be looking at an awesome feature, cruise control on your Bell. Right, so today we're going to be taking a look at how you can set up cruise control on your machine. Why would you want such a feature on your machine? Well, let's say your underfoot conditions are really bumpy and your operator is struggling with on and off on the throttle, or let's say your operation just requires a very steady pace to optimize the use of your machine on your site. Well, then cruise control is the feature for you. Let's take a look how we can set it up. Right, we're going to take a closer look at the cruise control now, how to set it up, and we're also going to give a bit of a demo on how it works. So what you need to know is, first of all, you need to be in factory mode. You go through to machine config, down to driveline, and then you head over to cruise control. I've already enabled it, so once it's enabled, that's pretty much all you have to do in terms of setup. So what's important to know is that to control the cruise control, we are going to be using the STC. The STC buttons of interest will be A, C, and D. So let's get into gear and see exactly how we use cruise control. Once we're driving and off we go, the first thing that is important to note is that the A button allows you to grab your current speed and maintain it. So I'm going to press the A button now, take my foot off the accelerator pedal. You can see it's grabbed 5.5 k's an hour and it's maintaining us at that speed. If you want to have a fine control adjustment, you use the STC knob in the middle. One rotation to the right increases your speed by 0.1 of a kilometer per hour, and to the left will decrease it by 0.1 of a kilometer per hour. We're coming up to a stop street now here at the Bell factory. So I'm just going to put my foot lightly on the brake, and you can see it immediately takes us out of cruise control. It does leave us in cruise hold. So all I have to do is press the resume button, which in this case is the C button on the STC, still without my foot on the accelerator pedal, and it takes us back up to 5.5 k's an hour. If you want some bigger adjustments on your speed limit, on your set speed, you can use the A button to decrease your speed by 1 kilometer per hour. And again, if you want to increase your speed by 1 kilometer per hour, you use the C button. That'll get us back to where we were. You can also, if you do want, put your foot onto the accelerator pedal. That doesn't exit cruise. As you can see, the cruise 5.5 kilometers per hour is still there. And if I take my foot off the accelerator pedal, it takes us back to 5.5 k's an hour and keeps us going at that speed. So if you do at any time want to exit the cruise, you just press the D button. That takes you into a holding state, and you press the D button on the STC once again, and it'll cancel the cruise altogether, and you're back to your 50 kilometer per hour speed limit. So we're really chuffed with our cruise control feature. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode of Unboxing Your Bell. If you did, won't you like, subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment for us? Cruise control forms the basis of autonomous control, so we're really excited about this feature, and we hope that you enjoyed this week and join us next week for another episode of Unboxing Your Bell.